Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create Amazon buyer account. Whether you are new to online shopping or just need a little help, I have got you covered. Now let's get it started. First of all, open your Amazon app. On your screen, you can see a person icon on middle bottom. Tap on it. Then you could see an option of sign in and create account on the screen. As we are going to create a new account, so tap on create account. Then fill up the required information and create a password, and remember to add the country code and mobile number too. Or you can also use your email ID for this account. Then tap on verify mobile number. If you had filled up your mobile number, tap on verify mobile number. I'm going to tap on verify email. Tap on it. Amazon will send one-time password or OTP to your email address. Now let's head back to the email. Check the OTP. Here it is. This is your OTP. Copy it and paste it to Amazon account. Then tap on create your Amazon account. It will take a few time. And that's it. You have successfully created your Amazon buyer account and are ready to explore millions of products. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in next video.